Okay, so let me kind of explain this problem that I just gave to you. So here's the setup. You're on top of a building 8 meters tall. The ground is the reference point. Okay, the ground is the reference point. Anything going up is positive, anything going down is negative. You're standing on top of that and you throw a ball straight up at 12 meters per second. Okay? The ball is going to do this action. It's going to go from here all the way up and then fall all the way down to the ground. So it's not symmetrical. It's not returning back to the same point. It's going to fall further than it goes up. So here's what you need to do. You need to be able to calculate time up, and you don't need to do these in any particular order. Time down, max height, velocity at impact. So let me explain the significance of this problem. This problem is going to be almost identical to the last problem that's going to be on the test, okay? The only thing I can do on this problem is change the numbers. I can change the height of the building, I can change the initial velocity. The concept is the same. So what I want you to do is I'm going to give you 5-10 minutes. I want you to work this problem, okay? Act like this is the test. Now, there's literally a half a dozen ways you can work this problem, okay? There is not one set way that you can solve this problem. So here's what I want you to do. If you think you've got the time up, the time down, the maximum height, the velocity and impact, if you think you have that done, I want you to come up and I want 3 things. I want the solved equation. I don't want the equation that you start with. I want the solved equation. So for example, if you're going to have time up, you're going to say time equals blah, 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 blah. Then I want the numbers with units in the correct sign of velocity, acceleration, displacement, whatever that is. And then I want the final answer. Okay? So, but you only get to do one. So we either do time up, time down, max height, velocity, and impact. So I want 3 things. The solved equation, the numbers inserted into the equation with the correct sign, and then the final answer. Okay? So I'm going to quit talking, work the problem. So, Ava, stop that camera.